So again, just got a real interesting little article on the New York Times. Posted June the 9th, 2016. California gun owners are not going to be happy. The Second Amendment does not guarantee right to carry concealed guns, court rules. Los Angeles, a federal appeals court in San Francisco ruled Thursday, today, the 9th of June, that the Second Amendment of the Constitution does not guarantee the right of gun owners to carry concealed weapons in public, upholding a California law that imposes stringent conditions on who may be granted a concealed carry permit. The 7-4 ruling by the United States Courts of Appeals of the Ninth Circuit in San Francisco overturned a decision by a 3-judge panel of the same court and was a setback for gun advocates. The California law requires applicants to demonstrate, quote, good cause, end of quote, for carrying a weapon, like working in a job with a security threat, a restriction sharply attacked by gun advocates as violating the Second Amendment right to bear arms. Quote, based on the overwhelming consensus of historical sources, we conclude that the protection of the Second Amendment, whatever the scope of that protection may be, simply does not extend to the carrying of concealed firearms in public by members of the general public, the court said in a ruling written by Judge William A. Fletcher. You want to bet he's a whacked-out Democrat? Huh? I'm going to look into that. The case was brought by gun owners who were denied permits in Yolo and San Diego counties. The plaintiffs did not immediately say whether they planned to appeal the United States Supreme Court. That would be a total waste of time. With Elena Kagan, Sonia Sotomayor, and that whack job, Ruth Ginsburg. Quote, this is a huge decision, said Adam Winkler, a professor of constitutional law at the University of California, Los Angeles School of Law. This is a major victory for gun control advocates. The Supreme Court has ruled that individuals have a right to possess a weapon in their home. Thursday's ruling centers on the next frontier in the gun control debate. Quote, probably the most important battleground of the Second Amendment has been whether there is a right to carry guns outside the home, and if there is, to what extent can states and localities regulate that right, said Jonathan E. Lowy, the director of legal action project of the Bradley Center to Prevent Gun Violence. Gun advocates swiftly condemned the ruling. Quote, this decision will leave good people defenseless, and it completely ignores the fact that law-abiding Californians who reside in counties with hostile sheriffs will now have no means to carry a firearm outside the home for personal protection. You want to read the rest of the article? I would do it, but I'm concerned that if I do it, YouTube might not even bother posting it. I've had that happen where I talk about certain things that I can't even upload. This might be one of those. I hope it's not. I'll attach the link. Please read the rest of it.